Stock Xfce sure is ugly. So let's go ahead and fix that. Hey everyone, what's happening? As you know, I had changed my desktop environment in the last video to Xfce up in the right hand corner. But now, as you can see, I haven't really done any configuring. No theming, and it's ugly as sin, etc. So we're going to go over this a little bit and we're going to do some configuring. So the first thing I'm going to do is we're going to change up some of this panel stuff right here. So I'm going to go ahead and go down here to panel preferences right here. And this panel 2 right here is this dock down here. I'm going to remove that because I'm not going to use it. I don't like the way it works. So we're going to go ahead and remove that. And then we're going to go to panel 1 right here. And we're going to unlock it. And then I'm going to go ahead and click and drag this down to the bottom. So I want it there. And then we're going to go ahead and increase the row size to about 30 because I want to be able to see what I'm doing. So 30. There we go, 30. And then we're going to remove a couple things like this right here. I don't need this. Remove that. And that's about it. And then we're going to go ahead and add a few things. No, I don't need another panel. What am I thinking? Alright. Items. And then we're going to go ahead and right bus underneath the applications menu. We're going to add a program launcher. So whoops, there we go. Where did that go? And then we're just going to go ahead and move this all the way up to right here. Then we're going to go ahead and click the edit. And we're going to go ahead and add let's just say Firefox down here. Let's just search Firefox. What am I thinking? And there we go. And then I can go ahead and add different launchers down there. I won't spend too much time, but that's how you do that. Now, we're going to go ahead and install a theme. Now, there's a number of ways you can do it. You can go to, right here, you go to gnome-look.org, which has nothing to do with GNOME, by the way, as far as that. As far as the foundation goes. So this site's okay. Or you can go to Xfce look.org as well. It's basically the same site, and you can go get and you can go ahead and get themes here. But or you can also go to get something called the Fling Store, and this will automatically install it. Now you would put you can download them manually, or you can install them to the Fling Store. So I'm going to go ahead and bring up the Fling Stores, and that would be in right here in settings. I'm going to go ahead and click Fling Store. And it's going to bring up the app image, and this was distributed in app image format, so it should work on any Linux system. Now, you can go ahead and browse to themes and wallpapers, etc. However, I already know what I'm going to be doing, so we're just going to go ahead and search Arc right there, and we're going to go ahead and install the Arc Black theme. And now to install to the Fling Store, I can go ahead and click install right here and choose what version I want, and let's choose this top one. And I'll then go ahead and click install. Now that I've installed that, and there's a bar up here that tells you Now I'm going to go to Applications up here, go Settings Manager, and then I'm going to go to Appearance right here, and now I'm going to go ahead and change it to Arc Black. Okay, now that I've installed the icon set, we're going to go ahead and go back to where I was in the no, not that. We want the settings and the settings manager. Back to appearance and go to icons. And then will be and then we have changed the icon sets as well. So now everything matches the theme that we have. And so now we're going to go here. Oh wait, what am I doing? I wanted that up here, settings manager. And of course, as you can see, it's changed all the icons. Now we're gonna go down to, we'll do appearance again. Let's see, fonts. We can go ahead and change the fonts there. Icons. Yeah, we'll keep it that way. I think that's all I want to do there. We'll go back to all settings. Okay, font manager. This is so we can change the QT themes to match. Okay, not that. What am I? No, I keep closing out of it. There we go. Change to theme. Oh, and it's already got the KV Arc Dark install activated, so we don't have to worry about that. And now, let's see. We've already done the panel. Let's see, notifications, general, do not disturb, etc. Primary display, top right, theme default, that'll work. Whoops, and then we go back to settings again. Let's see, window manager tweaks. There's something in here that I need to. Let's see. Yeah, font accessibility workspaces. Yeah, okay, compositor. Okay, window deck. Okay, well, go ahead and do that. A little bit of transparency here. And then, let's see. During resize, we can add some transparency there. Not quite so much. A little bit more. There we go, during move, same amount. And then we'll add some transparency to inactive windows. Pop-up windows, that'll be fine. Shadows, that'll work. And now, I think that's about it for that. Now we're gonna go to keyboard here. Let's see, application shortcuts. This is where I want to do some. Now, pop-up application menu, that can be the same. What I'm looking for specific one. The app finder. We're gonna go ahead and change this to my left super key, so that when I press it, I can go ahead and type in whatever I want to start up and launch it. Just like I was in Gnome. So as you can see, I've done some very basic configuration right here. I've got a theme installed with an icon set, so we've got all this right here. It's actually a pretty nice theme. And I like dark themes, and it's not ugly like the Graybird that Xfce has. let's see. Let's actually go and see if I can select a wallpaper. Because that's the only thing I have left to do. Yeah, desktop settings. Let's see. Let's see. Yeah, I think that I think it's removed most of the other ones when I removed gnomes, so we'll leave that be for now. I'll select a different wallpaper at the moment. I'll select a different wallpaper later, excuse me. But we've moved the panels around. We've set a theme. We've set icon sets. So that was a basic configuration of Xfce. I'm not done configuring it. Oh look, it's a kitty. She didn't like that. Oh well. Hi, Hannah. Okay, back to the video. That was very basic, and well, I'm not quite done with it. Actually, there's quite a few things I want to try and do to it because I haven't messed around with Xfce in a long time, and I think it's going to be fun. So if you like this video, give it that thumbs up. If you didn't, that's what that thumbs down button is for, and go ahead and click that subscribe button. If you like my content and wish to support my work, you can do so on Patreon. The link is in the description. Also, if you wish to see more, check out the videos on your screen.